friends, welcome to my channel Animated Study.
When you are playing the playing card, you are taking few random cards. You are shuffling it first and then you are taking the first card and you are put it into your left hand. Then you are taking another card and this card you are comparing with the first one. Here 8 is bigger than 3, so you are putting it at right side. Then you are picking the third card, that is 2. So you are comparing 2 with the 8. 8 is bigger than 2, so you are making room for 2. Then again you are comparing 2 with the 3. 3 is bigger than 2, so you are shifting 3 and making the room for 2. Now you are taking the 2 and put it first. Now you are taking the fourth card and you compare it with 8. 5 is smaller than 8, so you are making space for 5. Then you are comparing 5 with 3. 5 is bigger than 3, so this is the perfect place for the 5. That means I am sorting the card when I am inserting it. This kind of techniques is known as insertion sort. So let's see the algorithm of insertion sort in detail. So here we have an element 20, 10, 50, 45 and 35. And here is the code for insertion sort. Here we have a variables and its values. Here you can see the code. Here we have a passes that is running from 1 to n using outer for loop, and in that you have an inner while loop that is managing all the shifting at the time of insertion. So let's call the insertion sort to sort these elements. We are taking array and we are taking number of elements in the array. So right now we have 5 elements. So here you can see 5 is stored in the variable window. So now you have 5 elements, that is A0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you are declaring the variable I and j you are taking for the loops and key you are using for the selected elements. Now you will execute the for loop. Now you are taking I is equal to 1, I is less than n, that is 1 is less than 5, condition true. You are taking key is equal to ai, I is on 1, so ai, that is 10, 10 you are taking as a key. Then you are taking j is equal to I minus 1, since I is equal to 1, j is 0. So here you can say aj, that is a0, that is indicating the 20 here. Now you are checking condition for the while loop. You are checking j is greater than or equal to 0. So 0 greater or equal to 0, condition true. So you are checking the another conditions, that is aj, that means 20 greater than key is 10. So 20 greater than 10, condition true. So you are going inside the while loop and then you are taking aj plus 1. That means this element is equal to aj. aj is 20. So now you are shifting 20 to aj plus 1. Here we copy aj into aj plus 1. So aj is still here, but we are going to overwrite it. So we are not writing 20 here. So for better visualizations, we are not displaying 20 here. Then we are taking j is equal to j minus 1. So your j is now minus 1. Now you again check the conditions. J is greater than or equal to 0. Now j is equal to minus 1. So condition false. So you are coming out of the while loop and then you are taking aj plus 1 is equal to key. So your aj plus 1 is here. So you are copy the key into aj plus 1. Now you can see here your first two elements are sorted. So before this line you have all sorted elements, and after this line you have unsorted elements. So now you are executing the for loop again. You are increment I by 1, so I is equal to 2 now. 2 is less than 5, condition true. So you are taking key is equal to AI. So I is equal to 2 now. So now you are taking 50, that is A2 into the key. Now you are taking j is equal to I minus 1. So I is 2, so j is equal to 1. Now you are checking the while loop conditions, that is j greater than or equal to 0, j is equal to 1. So it is greater than 0. You are checking the second conditions, aj. So aj is now 20 and it is greater than key is 50. So condition false. So we are executing these instructions, that is aj plus 1 is equal to key. So aj is here, so aj plus 1 is on second position. So we are copy our key onto the aj plus 1. So our key is remain as it is. Now you can see this 3 element is inserted in sorted order. Now again you are incrementing I by 1. So now I is equal to 3. 3 is less than 5, condition true. So you are taking key is equal to AI. Since I is equal to 3, your third element is here and you are taking 45 in the key variable. Now you are taking j is equal to I minus 1. So j you are taking here 2. Now you are checking the conditions, j greater than or equal to 0, 2 is greater than 0, so condition true. You are checking second conditions, that is aj, that is 50 greater than key, so key is 45, so 50 greater than 45, condition true. So you are going inside the loop and you are taking aj plus 1 is equal to aj. So now you are copy aj into aj plus 1. For the visualizations we are not keeping 50 here because we will overwrite it. Then you decrement the j by 1. So now j is equal to 1 here. Now again you check the conditions, 1 is greater than 0, condition is true. Then you are taking aj is greater than key. So here your aj is equal to 20 and 20 greater than 45, condition false. So you are coming out of the while loop and then here you are taking aj plus 1 is equal to key. So aj plus 1 is here. So you are copying the key into aj plus 1. So now your 4 elements are sorted. Now you are incrementing I by 1. So I is now 4. Again you are taking key is equal to ai. So you are taking key is equal to 35. You are taking j is equal to I minus 1. So I is 4, so j is equal to 3. Then you are checking the while conditions, that is j greater than or equal to 0, so 3 greater or equal to 0, condition true. Then you are checking another condition, that is aj. aj is now 50 and greater than key, so key is 35. So 50 greater than 35, condition true. So we are going inside the loop. So we are taking aj plus 1 is equal to aj. Now you are shifting aj onto the aj plus 1. Now you are decrementing j by 1, so now j is equal to 2, 2 is greater than 0, condition is true. Again you are checking aj greater than key, so aj is now 45 and key is 35, so condition is true. So you are going inside the loop, then you are taking aj plus 1 is equal to aj. So now you are copy aj into aj plus 1 and leaving aj blank. And for the visualization purpose, we are not showing 45 on A2. Now you decrement j by 1. So j is now 1. 1 is greater than 0. Condition is true. You check the second condition, that is aj. aj is now 20. 20 greater than 35. Condition false. You are coming out of the while loop. Then you are taking aj plus 1 is equal to key. So now key is 35 and that will be copy onto the aj plus 1. Increment I by 1, that is 5, and you can see here 5 is less than 5, so condition false. So here you can see your entire list is sorted now. Now if you are talking about the best case, that means given list is already sorted, you can see here you are going inside the for loop, and then if your list is sorted, this condition is always false. So you are running for loop from exactly 1 to n. So in the best case, time complexity of insertion sort algorithm is big O n. Now in the worst case, when your list is in reverse order, then you are running this loop from 1 to n, and for the every case you are going inside the inner while loop, and for every comparisons you have to swap the elements. So for 1 to n, for every times you have to execute the inner while loop for 1 time, 2 time, 3 time up to n minus 1 time. So you can see here you can have a n multiplied by n conditions, that is n squared. So worst case, your time complexity of this algorithm is big O n square. And if you are talking about the average case, you have a half of the probability that you have to swap the elements when you are going for the insertions. So in the average case also, the time complexity of this algorithm is big O n square. This algorithm is in place memory algorithm, so you don't require any extra memory. That's why the space complexity of this algorithm is big O 1. Now we will see the passes that we have carried out here for better understanding. So after the end of pass 1, you have taken the first card, second card, and then you have swapped it. So you have a 2 elements that is in sorted order. Then you have taken 50 here, and then 50 you have compared with 20, that is bigger than 20. So you are fixing it to the second positions. In third pass, you have taken 45. 45 is smaller than 50, so you have shift 50 to the third place and you have inserted 45 into the second place. In the next pass, you have taken 35. 35 you have compared with 50. 35 is smaller than 50, so you have shifted 50 to the fourth place. Then you have compared 35 with the 45. 35 is smaller than 45, so you have shifted 45 to the fourth position. Then you have compared with 35 with 20. Since 35 is bigger than 20, you are putting 35 onto the third position. And you can see here entire list is get sorted. So this is all about the insertion sort. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notification. Thanks for watching and bye bye.